Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I want to spread some paint. And that is Frostbite. This is Jasmine. This is frozen amethyst. This is pink diamond. I have some orange crush left, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to keep looking for colors. What else do I want in there? I want some white, some dazzling white. I might want to put some Raphsody Rose in if I can lay my hands on it quickly enough. And I see it. So now I will just spread paint. Being called to turquoise. And all kinds of other things. So I think I've got Cyan Aqua. And Blue Flame. I thought it was Snapdragon, but it's Blue Flame. And I've got Blue Black, which is a Vivid Intense, which I never use, and I want to try some of. But I want to use it with some deep amethyst. And I think some water lily. And I was thinking yesterday I wasn't using any of the Periwinkle. And it's open. Yay. And I might want to use that with some blue. And I've got Egyptian blue handy. Along with some dancing fuchsia, which is fortunately still open and I haven't run out. Could wind up being just a background. But it's definitely therapeutic for me right now. Hearing the call to some fandango. I think some more purple. Actually, I've got some. Looks like I need to get rid of that first. I want some lighter color. I think I'm going to use some of the tangerine, which is just yellow-orange. Looks like I was almost out of luck. I need a scrape dish. Or in this case, I'll just wipe it off with a sponge. I want that purple off of there though. What am I going to put in there? Maybe some more orange. Could be some saffron too. Might be time to pull out a rubber brush. Just because they're fun to use. I see something that needs to go away though. Still haven't decided against the fandango. I seem to have lots of paint chips between my fingers. Pretty sure I'm getting close to the fandango. I want some red violet. kind of thinking a little more cyan aqua. That might have been more than I anticipated. But then I can use it anywhere I want to. As long as I can keep my fingers out of the painting. I could put some textural elements in here. If I'm going to do it, I better do it pretty quick. Well, the paint is still wet. So let's do that if I can. I've got a Michaels tool and I've got Wilton cake decorating tools. I want a finer edge than that. Use my Michaels tool. So that was fun. If I want to do more to it, I can. I'm not sure which way up is best. But I think I have time to shimmer it at you. So I ought to turn it sideways. One of these times I'm going to call it a stage 1 and just keep moving on it. Good color therapy for me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.